Hey guys, it's Chef Ryan in the Growing Chefs Ontario Classroom Kitchen, and for this recipe, we're going to be looking at how to make a cheese soufflé. So cheese soufflé might sound a bit hard or scary to make, but trust me, it's not at all once you know the basics of it. So let's take a look at everything we'll need for this recipe. So to start my cheese soufflé recipe, I'm going to melt some butter in a small pan, and once that butter is melted, I'm going to stir in my flour. We're looking to make sort of like a little paste here. We don't want to brown our paste though. Once that's come together, I'm going to stir in my mustard powder, a little bit of hot sauce, and my salt. Once everything is all mixed together, I can start slowly adding my milk in batches. So I'll add a little bit of milk, mix everything together, and then add a little bit more. Once all of your milk has been added, you should have a nice smooth sauce. If you add your milk too quickly, you'll get lumps. So I'm going to shut off the heat and let that cool down just slightly. So while my sauce is cooling, I'm just going to grate up my cheese. So today I'm using a smoked cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever type of cheese you like. If you want to use goat's cheese or blue cheese or just regular cheddar cheese. While my sauce is still warm, I'm going to stir my cheese right into it. I'm also going to add some green onions to this. So I want to mince the green onions so that they're very finely chopped. You can use chives here if you'd like, or leave them out altogether. Stir those into that sauce. I'll add a pinch of pepper at this point as well. So now it's time for my eggs. I have 4 eggs that I'm going to separate the yolks from the whites. I'm just cracking the eggs into my hands and letting the white slip through my fingers. Next, I'm going to take that sauce that we made earlier and mix it into my egg yolks. So now this is time for the technical part. I'm going to add some cream of tartar to my egg whites, and I'm going to whisk them until they're nice and firm. This is going to give our soufflé the volume. I've been beating my egg whites for about 5 minutes now, and you can see they've tripled in volume. They're nice and glossy. They sort of look like a meringue, and they hold a little peak when I take my whisk out of them. So this is exactly what we're looking for. This is going to give our soufflé that nice rise, that nice airy, delicate texture. So now I'm going to, in 3 steps, start mixing my whites into my yolk mixture. So just gently stir them together. We beat all of that air into those whites, and we don't want to lose it. You don't have to mix the whites all the way in before you add your next batch. I've got everything all mixed together, so now I'm going to pour it into a pie plate. So I have a pie plate here that I've sprayed lightly with some non-stick spray. I'm just going to gently pour my batter into the pie plate. I have my oven preheated to 375, and I'm going to bake this for about 20 minutes. It's going to get nice and golden brown and really puffy. My souffle has come out of the oven and it's nice and golden brown on top and puffy. So to serve it, I'm just going to take a scoop and put it alongside a nice salad. I'm Chef Ryan from Growing Chefs Ontario, and I hope you like my cheese souffle recipe.